Hello students, welcome to Math Beyond Marks channel by your Pragasam sir, where you will understand concepts first, then marks will follow next automatically. This is video number 7 in the playlist of Class 8 CBSE Maths Chapter 1, a square and a cube. In the previous video, we have discussed about a square, about square of a number and how to find whether the given number is a square number or not using several patterns, and then solved few questions based on the pattern. The remaining I left you to solve and get prepared for the exams in whatever the manner they're asking. Using those patterns, you can solve that sums. Now we will discuss about square root of a number and then find the square root of that number by prime factorization method. Let the number be small or big. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the square. 7 square equal to 49. Now, square root of 49 equal to 7. That is the concept we are going to learn in this video. Remember, you studied this prime factorization under the chapter Find the Common Ground, which gives LCM, HCF, prime factors, etc. in class 7 of CBSE's new syllabus. Shall we go to the video to dig more about the square roots? Are you ready? As I said in the introduction, this video is going to explain prime factorization. First, let us take the word what is meant by a prime number. What is a prime number? This you have a lot of introduction for this one in class 7 itself. Okay, so prime number means it will have only two factors. For example, number 5 has only two factors. What is meant by a factor? Factor means number 1 and 2 are the factors. 5 is divisible by 1 and 5 is divisible by 2. No, it is not divisible. Hence, it is not a factor. 5. Yes, 5 is a factor. Therefore, the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Now, if you take 4, the factors are 1. Yes, 4 is divisible by 1. 2. Yes, 4 is divisible by 2. 4. Yes, 4 is divisible by 4. Remainder is 1. But what about 3? No, 4 is divisible by 3, but the remainder will come 1. So there should not be any remainder. Very important. Remainder must be 0. Then only it is said to be divisible. Okay. Then in these two, you see, there is a difference. It has 3 factors. It is having only 2 factors. Now for one more example, you take 7. If you take 7, 1 is a factor. 7 is divisible by 1. By 2, no. By 3, no. By 4, no. By 5, no. 6, no. 7, yes. Here also, it is having only 2 factors. But if you take 8, 8 is divisible by 1, 8 is divisible by 2, 8 is divisible by 3, no, 4, yes, 5, no, 6, no, 7, no, 8, yes. For this one, method will use. Therefore, what is that method means? 1 into 8. Okay, 8. 2 into 4, 8. Therefore, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 8. Like this we'll use. Again, 4 twos are 8 ones are also possible, but we don't want this itself. So there are 4 factors for this 4 factors. But in this 4 examples, two numbers has only 2 factors and two numbers has more than 2 factors. Therefore, what is a prime number? Having only 2 factors. Having only 2 factors. Only 2 factors is a prime number. Then what about composite number? Next word is composite. What is a composite? Means it is having more than 2 numbers, more than 2 factors. So here the factors 4 and 8 are composite numbers. Whatever the number it is, you can find. Now, if the numbers are larger, there should be a method, no? Now consider the factors of 6. 6 means it has the factors 1, 2, 3, 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6. Let you take 11. What is the fact? What are the factors of 11? 1 into 11, that's all. Since it is a prime number, therefore 6 is a composite number, 11 is a prime number. This I took like same example. Suppose the number is 156, a bigger number, 156. How to find the factors for this one? For that only we are having prime factorization method. Very easy. So no need to bother about this one. It is called division. L division, long division, like that we'll call. Now, as it is an even number, first take it by 2. Divide it by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 1 remainder, 2 eights are. So, 78. Again, it is coming 2. You divide it by 2. It is coming 2 threes are 6 and 1 9. Okay, now you know it is an odd number, therefore it is not divisible by 2. Hence, we can choose 3. Yes, 3 13s are 39. Now, 156 can be written as, okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, where all these numbers you see 2, 2, 3, 13, all are having only 2 factors. That's why they are called prime factors, and 156 you are writing as the product of prime factors. Hence, this is called prime factorization. You can do this for any bigger number. Let it be small or big, you can do this method. Okay, now take this number 125. Okay, 196 or 125. 125 is divisible by 5. Why to go for 2, 3 or anything? 5 is ending with 5, therefore divisible by 5. You know the divisibility rules and all. So it is 5 twos are 10 and 2 5 5s are 25. Again divisible by 5, therefore 5. So 125 can be written as 5 cube. Okay, there are 2 numbers. Now I am going to take the third number. Okay, what is the third number? 196. I am going to choose 196. 196 is the another number. Now what is that? 2. Yes, possible. Then 1 remainder 16, 98. Yes, again with the 2, it is 49. Again with the 2, no chance. Then with the 7 tables only, as we know. You are in 8th standard, you should know these tables and all very clearly. 7 sevens are 49. Now, 196 is written as 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. One more example from this I will take. 156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Now, here in this itself, I can give you one thing. In 196, the numbers are in pairs. 2 into 2, 7 into 7. But here one pair is there. For 3 and for 13 there is no pair. That's why 196 is a perfect square, but 156 is not a perfect square. My dear children, are you able to understand how easy this prime factorization is? Dividing with 2 table, 3 table, or with a prime number, or with 5, then you are getting, if it is having pairs, you are going to say that, then you are saying that it is a perfect square number. If not, no. So what is the use of prime factorization? To check whether it is a prime number or perfect square number or not. Moreover, the square root of 196, we can find out 196 square root is nothing but from these two pairs you have to write 1. Only 1. 2 into 7, that is 14. Now you see 14 square is nothing but 196. Yes, a bigger derivation. What is that? The square root of 196 is 14, whereas 14 square, as we have done in the previous, the square of 14 is 196. When you take the square root, it will become 14. So this is the one, and in the previous videos we have seen how to check whether the numbers are perfect squares or not. Here, after checking whether the numbers are perfect squares or not, one more step we are going ahead. What is that? Finding the square root. Are you clear? Okay, students, let me take one more number. Always I am doing the small numbers only. No, I'll take a bigger number. 1156 and check whether it is a perfect square number or not. Okay. For that, what we have to do? You have to divide this by 2 table. Yeah, 2 table, it is easy. 2 5s are 10, 1 remainder 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 remainder, and 6, 16, 8, 578. Again, thank God it is even number. Then what you do? Again divide it by 2. Okay. It is coming in pair, no, we have to feel happy. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Now we have to check the last digit is 9. We don't know whether it is divisible by 3 or not, but 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 9, 19. No, 19 is not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 3 means no. Why? Sum must be divisible by 3. You know the divisibility rules also. Please use divisibility rules also. See, mathematics means if you know the concept when and where you need, then you can use those concepts. So divisibility rule, no. Then I hope it is not divisible by 2, 3, 4 not, 5 not, 6 no, 2 and 3 not means 6 also no, 7 7s are 49. Okay, 7 4s are 28, 7 with 7, 4s are 28 and 9 is there. No chance. So it is not divisible by 7 also. Then over up to 7 not there means then there is a difficulty. That means now we have to go to some other way only. That means what? That means our concept. What is our concept? 10 square 100. Okay, 15 square. Okay, 15 square is 225. Okay, it is more than that. 20 square, it is 400. Yes, good. So it lies between 15 square and 20 square. Then between this, you can, it may be or may not be. Between this, you have to try one number. What is that? 9 ending. So it may be 16 means no, 17, 17s are yes, 17s are 289 because 17 is a prime number. 17 is a prime number. Hence, This 1156 is a perfect square number, 2 into 2 into 17 into 17. Okay, so 2 is there in pair and 17 is there in pair. Therefore, square root of 1156 is equal to, take only one number from the pair, 2 into 17, that is 34. Now, in the previous videos only you have seen up to 31 square 961, 32 square 1000, 100 something. So 34 square is, sorry, not 1100, 1096 or something. Now 34 square is 1156. It's very clear that if it is not known, this example why I took means, if you are unable to locate this prime number or find out this prime number, then use this method, estimation method, to find out which number may be. Suppose it is not there, some other number, then we have to see that one. According to that, we have to react. Here it will come 1156, some other number they are giving means, then that automatically it will change. It will be divisible by 2 and then it may be divisible by 3 or 5 or 7, like that. Then if not, you have to go to this estimation method. Even in estimation, if you find out directly 34, one more method I am saying. Suppose you got 34 as the number. Now divide this one, 2 17s are. That's all. These are the factors now. 2 into 2 and 17 into 17. So for answer, if you are able to guess it first itself, then you can find the prime factors easily. Is it interesting, children? Yes. If it is interesting, please like this video and share. If you are visiting for the first time, subscribe this and wait for the next video. Till next video, it's bye from your Pragasam sir.